What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this super quick guide, I'll be showing you the Ticket Hall Conference Room key on the brand new airport map. This key can be used for the conference room on the second floor of the Ticket Hall, and that's where I am here. What you need to do is navigate to the southern side of the control tower down here, and this is the Ticket Hall, one of the two entrances for the military zone here. All the way on the far west side, there's a door here, door at the bottom, door on the right, and of course one in the center here. On this west side, you'll find a staircase in the southwest corner here, and alternatively, if you're already in the center, you can hop up on these boxes here to get to the second floor. This room over here has some pretty good loot. However, this door right over here is the one that we can open with the key. Once you use your key card to get into this room here, again, this position, inside of here, you'll find a couple of lootables. Unfortunately, I wasn't the first here, so I can't show you what you get. However, there is a document box on the table, a military computer, some general loose loot, and an electronic safe at the very back. This one opens instantly and usually has some pretty good loot. This room is most definitely worthwhile visiting, especially for the price of around 1.3 million if you happen to get super lucky with the safe here. It's a relatively simple key. This area is just a little bit difficult to get to as you have got the slightly higher tier of guards, but again, I am in the Forbidden Game mode, which, if it isn't the only game mode for this map, it should be a little bit easier on other difficulties. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Nice being Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.